Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to create the banking main form. In our last tutorial we saw how to make a progress bar and how to make a login with validation. In our last class we just add the main form, but we didn't do anything else in this main form. Here what I am going to do is first I am going to set the resolution of the resolution means I am going to set this for this form. When the main form is displayed, it's come as a full screen. Okay, as we did in our login form, like that. When the login form is loaded, it's come as a full screen. Okay, it displays as a full screen. Okay, let me see how to do this stuff. The same thing we did in our login form also. Click on this login form and go to the property and copy the size. This is the full screen size, full screen resolution of the size. This is the full resolution of the screen size. You just copy them and go back to your main form and paste them. Okay, here the default size will be 300 and 300. Here you have to paste what you copied on the login form. This is the size you copied. You just paste and press enter key, then it will apply look like this. Okay, successfully I set the resolution as a full form. Now what I am going to do is go to the form border style as give as none. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to change the color. Okay, the same color I am going to give the main form also. So first click on this form. Before I am going to set the color, click on this form. Here the main form I am going to give the another option is container true. Okay, here the default come as false. Here you have to make it as true. Okay, is container true. Now what I am going to do is after you make it as is empty container true, go back to your toolbox and add another tool which is a panel. Okay, here panel, you have to align them like this. Okay, perfect. Just align them like that. Then I'm going to add some functionality on the panel. Okay, first functionality I'm going to add as a account creation. Here the first button, this one will be the account creation. Just make it as like this. Here something like that. Here what I'm going to do is I just going to change the name as account creation. After that I no need to add the button again by again. You successfully add one button, the same size I need, so go to the edit and copy and paste. Okay, paste. So you get another button. Here you can notice that button 2. If you click button 1, here this one name will be button 1, this one will be button 2. Here you make a change the text only. Here I am going to change the text as account review. Okay, that is the stuff you have to do. Again you have just aligned correct like this. Okay, it's perfect. Thing is perfect. Now let me run the project and see. Successfully loading as successfully loading. After loading, so here it's not fit on the screen, so back to our coding view. Click on the form. Here it's changed, something happened here. So again I am going to type the resolution, press enter key. Now let me check it again. This time perfect. Here I have to do some changes here also, but some of perfect this one. So let me moving here. What happened here? I didn't align correctly here, so the problem. Okay, now the problem has been solved. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of the buttons. So I need another one. Sorry, I don't need to get this one. I'm going to copy and paste it again and get another button, which is I'm going to name it as account withdraw. This is withdraw. This is a simple application, bank application I'm developing. Withdraw. Sorry, some spelling mistake. Then I need another copy and paste, and this time I'm going to add the button name as deposit. After that I'm going to add another button, which is loan. And copy and paste one more time. Again I'm going to add another one as copy and paste and get another one as account to account transaction. Okay, I add some functionality here. If you need some more functionality, I will add it later on. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here I just need this color. So what I'm going to do is click this form. Here go to the back color which you applied in this form. This is the back color you applied in this form. You just copy that and go back to your main form. Click on the panel where you're going to change the color. So again go to the property window and select the back colors property. Its defaultly come as control. You just highlight and paste it, but you copy the color. Okay, this is the color you copied, and press enter key and apply the color. Okay, now it's perfect. Color will be perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to check again the form. Now it's working perfect. You can see like that. Now let me close this one. Control plus F4 to close this one. And now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do some modification here. This button I'm going to make it as something like this. So I'm select all the button like this, and I need the changes. Go to the here flat style. You select all the buttons. You just select like this, all the buttons like this, and go to the property window. Property window, there will be the property flat style. It's defaultly come as standard. You have to make it as flat. Flat means coming like that. Here it's with border style will be available. But so what I'm going to do is here flat style. Above you can see another heading was there, heading is there, which is a flat appearance. Here the node will be there. You just click on the node. Here the border size will be 1. You make it as 0 and press enter key. Now you can get all the stuff. Is there's no border style. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here again I select all the buttons and select all the buttons like this and go to the flat appearance. Here I'm going to here mouse down back color, mouse over black color. It is something like that. Okay, mouse over and mouse over. Here mouse down and mouse over. Okay, well, let's change the color as something like that. Some similar color I'm going to check it here, this one. Then here mouse back color I will be select as this one. Perfect. Now let's go and check the one. here. So nothing happened. Go to the flat. Okay, let's click on this one. Okay, here I'm going to do step by one. That is the problem, I think. Here selected successfully, but it's not. Yeah, it's a problem. Okay, let's again we execute the program and see. Here you can change the color here like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, it's not happening here, but the meaning of this is here mouse sign will be, this is the background color sign. I'm going to change the color as something like that, some similar color like this, and again I'm going to execute the program. You can see here, you can notice that here if you move the mouse cursor over here, it is here change the color like this. The before, what the problem is, here I change as sign, the background color will be sign, I change the color as also here sign. That is the problem. Now here, now it's corrected there. That is the property which is a flat appearance here. Here earlier I gave sign, the background color also sign, so that I couldn't see the color. Now I change something different. Now you will able to see the color like that. Okay, it successfully changed. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to increase the size, something like that here. Select all and you can increase like that. Then it's perfect. Size will be perfect. And again go and check those stuff again. Here it successfully changed. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to increase the size of the font. That will be more efficient way to increase the size. So again I back to my property window, and font size I'm going to increase as 40 and change the font as something different, is this one, Gothic, Franklin Gothic. Okay, now let me see the program one more time. It's loading has been loading successfully. Now you can see the account here, the functionality here. When you move the mouse cursor on the functionality, you can see here is mouse over here. If you click the functionality, it's different color. Here if you click, it's different color. Here it's work different color. Here if you click this one, it will be different color. You can notice that. Okay, I hope you understood so far. Here there will be the property which is a flat appearance. Keep in your mind while doing this banking application. You have to first what you are going to do is make it as 0. After that, what you are going to do is here you can change the color. Okay, don't select the color as a same background color. Earlier I selected the color as a background color, so that I couldn't, when the mouse is moving on the function, the name, so the color will be not changed. Okay guys, I hope you understood so far. If you have any doubt, ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me.